Need to create a new product that's very similar to one you already have? In this quick video, I'll show you the huge time-saving trick of duplicating a product in Shopify. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Duplicating products is one of Shopify's best hidden gems for efficiency. It lets you copy all the details of an existing product, so you don't have to start from scratch. Let's see how it works. First, navigate to your Products page from your Shopify admin. Find the product you want to copy in the list. You don't need to open it fully. Simply click on the product title to highlight its row. Once you've selected it, click the Duplicate button that appears right above your product list. Shopify will instantly create a copy and add it to your product list with Copy of added to the original title. Now, here's the crucial cleanup step. Click on the new duplicated product to open it. You'll need to change a few key things to avoid confusion. First, update the product title to remove Copy of and give it its own unique name. Next, and this is very important, update the search engine listing. Click Edit Website SEO and change the page title and description. If you don't, both your original and new product will have the same URL and meta description, which is bad for SEO and will confuse customers. A crucial pro tip: this method is perfect for creating product variants manually or for seasonal items that are similar to year-round products. All the images, tags, and descriptions are copied over, so you only need to change what's different, saving you a ton of time. And just like that, you've cut your product creation time in half. It's a simple trick with a massive impact. If this saved you valuable time, please give it a like. What kind of products will you duplicate most often? Let me know in the comments. To keep organizing your growing catalog, subscribe for our next video on how to set up Shopify collections. Thanks for watching.